Be sure to subscribe to Kiddo Coach for more fun. Check the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. Hello. Today we are going to learn how to make friends. So if you're needing to make some more friends, just keep watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification if you want to know right away when I upload a video. Let's get started. Hi everyone, my name is Puppy. Hi Puppy. I'm kind of sad today. Why are you sad? Well, I don't have anyone to play with. No one wants to play with me. Oh, I don't think that's true. Well, I don't know how to make friends. Oh, well in that case, let's just teach you. Okay, are you ready? You're going to learn the recipe to make a friend. Okay, all right, just watch. All right, the first ingredient, we are going to make a recipe. We're not doing any cooking today. The first ingredient to make a friend is a compliment. You want to pair that compliment with a smile. Now you might say, what is a compliment? A compliment is a put-up, something that you would say that's kind to another person. For instance, I like your shirt. Now, we all wear shirts, thankfully. And so therefore, that is a great compliment that will work with anyone. But you could also say something like, you're really good at math. Or you're so funny. Anyway, the first thing you need to do in your ingredient to make a friend is to give a compliment. So let's put a smile on our face and get our bowl in our hand and our spoon because we're going to do some cooking. And I want you to say into your bowl, I like your shirt. Go ahead. Okay, now stir. Now, the second ingredient you need to make a friend is to say, will you play with me? So let's get our bowl out and our spoon, and let's go ahead and say it. Will you play with me? And stir. The third ingredient you need is to say, what do you want to play? So let's say it. What do you want to play? And stir. And poof, you just made a friend. Oh, don't believe me? Oh, well, let me tell you how it works. Here is Puppy again, huh? So, I can say to Puppy, if I wanted to become friends with Puppy, I would say, I like your shirt. Or, since he's not wearing a shirt, I might just say, I like your fuzzy hair. Thanks. Then, number 2, remember the second ingredient. Will you play with me? Yes. Now, here's the thing about that question. Almost all the time, the answer will be yes. Now, every so often, the answer is no. And in our next video, we'll talk about what to do with that. But let's focus on this. So, I like your shirt. Will you play with me? And our third ingredient, do you remember what it is? What do you want to play, Puppy? I want to play Hot Lava Monster. Oh, that's a fun game. Okay, let's play that. Now, here's the deal. You want to play with that kid. And maybe they want to play something you didn't want to play, like Foursquare. Or maybe they wanted to play on the playground equipment, and that's not really your thing. But you need to say yes. So whatever they say when you ask the question, what do you want to play? You make sure that whatever they say, tag, football, whatever, you say, okay, because you want to play with that person. And I am telling you, this works with every kid. It works with the older kids. It works with the younger kids. It works with the kids in your neighborhood. It works with the kids at school. This works. So I want you to try it. But before you try it, I want you to think of someone who you would like to play with. Go ahead. Think inside your head. Get an idea of who you would like to play with. Okay, do you have somebody? All right, now what I want you to do is I want you to grab a stuffed animal, okay? By the way, this is a stuffed animal. But anyway, he's cute. And then I want you to practice the recipe with the stuffed animal as if it is your friend. So let's say I wanted to play with Peter. So I would pretend like Puppy is Peter, And I would come up to him and I would say, I like your shirt. Will you play with me? What do you want to play? And I do it over and over until I remember the 3 steps to make a friend. Okay, so give it a go and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. See you next time.